Susila, Physical Science CRT, KGBV Venkatagiri from Nellore district. Today I am going to discuss about the topic 8th class third chapter, Matter Around Us. Electric objects. Electric objects. First one, explain the states of matter. Second one, identify the shape and value of solid, liquid and gases. Third one, list out the characteristics and properties of three states of matter. Fourth one, discuss the division of states of matter. Fifth one, explain the force of attraction between the particles of the matter. Sixth one, describe the effect of temperature of matter and changes of states. Children, what is matter? Daily in our life, we see so many things around us, like human beings, friends, parents, different objects like books, bags, tables, vehicles, many things we see. Why have different objects in our life? Why have different things in our life? Not only that, you will see other type of like things like acids, bases, synthetic and natural substances, like so many things you see. And what do we call all these things? Since science, these are called matter. These are the matter. What is matter? Matter means object. Matter means things. Matter means metal. Matter means non-metal. Matter means anything seen in the matter. Matter occupies some space and having mass. This is one of the example of matter. It is sharp. It is also occupies some mass. This is also in the matter. What is the made of matter? Matter is made of material particles. Matters, different shapes, different sizes. Matter, different structures and colors. How many types of materials of the matter? We are having how it is nothing but states of matter. There are three types of states of matter. First one, solid. Second one, liquid. Third one, gases. Gas. Of matters. There are three types of states of matters. First one, solid. Second one, liquid. Third one, gases. Example of solids. First one, pen, book, table, liquid petroleum gas, CNG, compressed natural gas, carbon dioxide, oxygen, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and so on. For the example of gases. The next one, properties of solids, liquids, gases, shape and value. Liquids and gases. Shape and value. First one, properties of solids. Children, observe these activities. Take any two solids, say a pen and a book. Put in the different containers. Put in the different containers. Take any two solids, say a pen and a book. Put in a different containers. Do you observe any change or shape? What do you observe? What do you observe, children? What do you observe? No change in. Children, what do you observe? No change in shape or value. Value means occupies some space. About this activity, no change in shape or value. Finally, we found that this is no change in shape and value for any solid object. And this is the properties of solids. It is a fixed value. Solids have a certain fixed value and fixed shape. Are you understand the activity, children? Fixed shape and fixed value. These are the properties of solids. Liquids. Children, do you see the board? Observe the different shaped containers. Are you okay? Children, all the shan containers are not in the same form. For doing the activity. Children, I am going to take two different shapes of containers and measuring jar. Let us compare the two different shapes of containers. Take 80 ml of water in both containers. ml of water in both containers. After filling the water in two containers, what do you observe? Children, after filling the containers, what do you observe? Does not change in the volume shape but remains water is same. The water turns into the shape of containers. Observe the volume. There is no change. Finally, volume remains same. Liquids have no fixed shape but have a fixed value. Is the properties of liquids. Liquids have a no fixed shape but have a fixed value. Properties of gases. Do the gases have a definite shape and value? Children, do you know about the CNG? CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Children, the CNG pumps where we use it to the petroleum bunk, gas filling stations. How CNG is stored for vehicles? Does CNG have a fixed value? The gases are no fixed shape and value. From the observations in the above activity with your daily life experience, we can fix it that CNG and other gases neither have a fixed shape nor fixed value. These are the properties of gases. It is fixed value, it is no fixed value but fixed shape. These are the properties of gases. Children, all the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Observe the solids, liquids and gases, all the properties. Solids. Solids have a certain size, shape and value. Properties of liquids. Liquids have no fixed shape but have a fixed value. Properties of gases. Gases neither have a fixed shape nor fixed value. These are the properties of solids, liquids, gases. Properties are the matter. topic compressibility. Children, do you see the board? Observe the diagrams. First one, observe the solid particles. Children, do you see the solid particles? What do you observe? Children, the gap is very closer and tightly to each other. Children, are you understand? The next, liquid particles. Children, observe the liquid particles. Children, the small space of two particles to each other. Small space. Are you understand? The next, gas particles. Gas particles. The gas particles. The gap is far away to each other. Children, are you understand the gas particles? The gap is far away to each other. Away to each other. Children, observe the activity. Children, take a syringe. Take a sand particles. Compress the piston. Children, what do you observe? Children, observe the activity. It does not move. Children, are you understand the activity? Take a water in syringe. Place your on the nozzle and press. Observe depth of piston moved into syringe. If it is easy or hard to press. Children, observe the activity. Observe the activity. The next, take a 3 ml of syringe. Draw the piston to suck into the air. Place your finger on the nozzle and press. Observe depth of piston moved into syringe. If the observations, it is easy hard to press. What do you observe, children? Do you find any change in the volume of air in the syringe? Take a water in the syringe. Take a water in the syringe. If you observe the sand also. From the above observations, you find the gas are the highly compressible as to liquid and solid. Children, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సాలిడ్ పార్టికల్స్ అనేటివి ఒకదానికొకటి చాలా దగ్గరగా అమరి ఉంటాయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లోజర్ అండ్ టైట్లీ ప్యాక్డ్, దగ్గరగా ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ పరిశీలించండి, లిక్విడ్ పార్టికల్స్ ని సాలిడ్ పార్టికల్స్ తో పోలిస్తే ఈ పార్టికల్స్ మధ్య దూరం అనేది కొద్దిగా దూరంగా ఉన్నాయి. తర్వాత పరిశీలించండి, గ్యాస్ పార్టికల్స్ చూడండి. లిక్విడ్స్తో పోలిస్తే గ్యాస్ పార్టికల్స్ అనేటివి చాలా దూరంగా ఉన్నాయి. మా అర్థమైందా? తర్వాత చూడమ్మా, ఇది మొత్తం యాక్టివిటీ ద్వారా ఆల్రెడీ మనం చూసేసాము. సిరంజిని తీసుకోవాలి, టేకే సిరంజిని తీసుకొని దీనిలోకి సాలిడ్ పార్టికల్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మన చేతి అడ్డంగా పెట్టాలమ్మా. ఇక్కడ ఈ పిస్టన్తో నొక్కినప్పుడు సాలిడ్ పార్టికల్స్ అనేటివి ఇక్కడ మూవ్ అబౌ అలానే ఉంటాయి. తర్వాత లిక్విడ్ పార్టికల్స్ పరిశీలించడము. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి సిరంజిని తీసుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ లిక్విడ్ వచ్చేసి వాటర్ని తీసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఈ పిస్టన్ని నొక్కినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ లిక్విడ్ పార్టికల్స్ అనేవి సాలిడ్ పార్టికల్స్ కంటే ఈ పార్టికల్స్ మధ్య కొద్దిగా గ్యాప్ అనేది ఉండడం వల్ల ఈ పిస్టన్ని నొక్కినప్పుడు కొద్దిగా సాలిడ్స్తో పోల్చితే ఇది కొద్దిగా ముందుకి జరుగుతుంది. తర్వాత చూడమ్మా, గ్యాస్ పార్టికల్స్. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి గ్యాస్ వచ్చేసి ఎయిర్ తీసుకున్నాము. ఎయిర్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ పిస్టన్ని మనం నొక్కినప్పుడు గ్యాస్ అనేది ఈజీగా నెట్టివేయబడుతుంది. అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ కంప్రెసిబిలిటీ? Compressibility, define the compressibility. The capacity of something to be flattened, reduced in size by pressure. Children, are you understand? అంటే అక్కడ మనము ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫోర్స్ను ఉపయోగించుకొని మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే యొక్క సైజుని తగ్గించేస్తున్నాం, కుదించేస్తున్నాము. ఇక్కడ సాలిడ్స్, లిక్విడ్స్, గ్యాసెస్ ఈ మూడింటి పోల్చినప్పుడు అన్నిటికన్నా కూడా గ్యాస్ అనేది తొందరగా ఈజీగా నొక్కేసాం. అంటే ఈ యాక్టివిటీని బట్టి మనం ఏం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు, గ్యాసెస్కి కంప్రెసిబిలిటీ అనేది ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. వాటి తర్వాత లిక్విడ్స్కి తర్వాత వచ్చేసి సాలిడ్ అసలు కంప్రెసిబిలిటీ అనేది ఉండదు. గ్యాసెస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ లిక్విడ్స్, గ్రేటర్ దెన్ సాలిడ్స్. చిల్డ్రన్స్, are you understand the compressibility? Children, do you know incest stick? Say yes or no. Let us take incest stick to fight diffusion. Let us take incest stick to fight diffusion. Are you okay? Take a incest stick and unrip it. Children, observe the activity. Children, observe the activity. until we stand in the room corner. When we until the incense stick in air spread into the entire into the room. This is called diffusion. Children, are you understand the diffusion? Children, do you see the board? Define the diffusion. The movement of a vapor of scent and smoke from one place to another is known as diffusion. Are you understand? Children, deodorant and sprays and room fresheners are all the examples of diffusion, where we used to body spray, deodorant, the air spread into the whole room. Children, are you understand the topic diffusion? Children, the next types of diffusions. First one, diffusion of solid in liquid. Second one, diffusion of gases in liquid. Third one, diffusion of liquids in liquids. First one, diffusion of solids in liquids. Children, observe the activity. Take a water and potassium permanganate crystals. For example, water plus K-mango4. Diffusion of solids in liquids. Take a vessel filled with the water. Potassium permanganate crystals dropped into the water. Children, do you observe? Dropped into the potassium permanganate crystals, spread into the water completely. It will start to melt in the water. This is diffusion. Children, are you understand the diffusion? Define the diffusion. The next one, diffusion of gas in liquids. Chillers, we know cool drinks, when we open bottle cup, it will come out the gases. This is CO2. Are you okay? Oxygen spread into all body muscles in our body. Example for the diffusion of gas in liquids. The next, diffusion of liquids in liquid. For example, ink spread in water. Children, Observe the activity. Take a one blue or black ink pen. Take a water in bowl. After talking this, drop it into ink into water. Children, what do you observe? When we drop ink, automatically the ink spread into the water. Ink completely spreading into the water. This is the definition of liquids in liquids. Children, finally, definition of gases are more than solids and liquids. Children, do you see the board? Division of two gases. Lab activity. Aim to observe the speed of diffusion of two gases. Material required: long glass tube with scale, liquid ammonia, hydrochloric acid, piece of cotton, 2 rubber corks and 2 tongs. Procedure: take a 1 meter long narrow glass tube. Take a 2 pieces of cotton. Soak one is hydrochloric acid solution and another is ammonia solution. Insert them separately at the two end of the tube with the help of tongs. At the same time, close the end of the glass tube with rubber cork and observe. Children, do you observe the activity? Hydrochloric acid gives off hydrogen chloride gas. Ammonia solution gives off ammonia gas. Both gases react together to form a white fumes of ammonium chloride. Observe the white ring in the tube due to formation of ammonium chloride. Do you know gases diffusion faster than solids or liquids? Children, tell me the answer. Do you know gases diffuse faster than solids or liquids? Finally, we say that gases diffusion higher than solids, liquids. Diffusion of ammonia is higher than HCl gas because the molecular weight is lower than HCl. So the diffusion is higher than HCl. Due to low molecular weight, the diffusion is greater. Children, finally, gases diffusion higher than solids, liquids. Gases greater than liquids, greater than solids. Children, write the homework. First question. What is matter? What is matter? Second one. Name the characteristics of matter that are demonstrated by diffusion. Once again, name the characteristics of matter that are demonstrated by diffusion. Are you understand, children? Third one, draw the diagrams, solids, liquids and gases, particles. Once again, draw the diagrams, solids, liquids and gases, particles. Fourth one, define the